Hey girlie, you need to take care of yourself. You need a productive morning routine that works. Well, I wake up at 4 a.m. and I've got some tips for you. Hey girlie, welcome to Plan Prep Pray. Morning routines are how you get more time in the day. It's how you turn 24 hours into 27 hours. You work, or in our case, you take care of yourself while your children are sleeping. As a stay-at-home mom, we are constantly complaining about how we just have no time for ourselves. But what if there's a way that you can actually find more time? Well, I've got some tips to help you make the most productive morning routine ever. So the first thing you want to do is you want to move your phone. No longer sleep with your phone next to you. Move your phone. My phone sleeps in the bathroom. That way, it forces me to get up to turn off my alarm. And so that walking wakes me up. And also the fear of waking up my baby that's sleeping next to me makes me jump right out of bed and run to turn off that alarm. The next thing you want to do is you want to move your face. What do I mean by that? Wash your face. The first thing I do in the morning is wash my face and do all my skincare routine. And by the time that I'm done washing my face, I am wide awake. Now here's a pro tip. Sometimes I wake up and I get my phone, but I somehow end up back in bed and asleep. Promise yourself, trick yourself. I trick myself and I tell myself, hey, just wash your face and then you can go back to bed. And washing your face in the morning, there's no way you're going back to bed. So next thing you want to do is move your tummy. I talk about in my More Energy video, which I'll link up above, drinking water first thing in the morning. So first thing in the morning, I either have lemon water or I have water mixed with vitamin C in it. It's with the emergency vitamin C packets, and I make a cup of water to drink in the morning. And that not only gives me like a boost of energy, but it also wakes me up. The next thing I do is I do a cup of black tea in the morning with 1 teaspoon of matcha. And that gives me the energy boost that I need in the morning. I don't do coffee in the morning, I do coffee in the afternoon. You want to move your soul. The best part of waking up in the morning is getting that opportunity and that time to spend in the Word. And so while I'm sipping on my black tea, I also do my devotional, I journal, and I write journals to my son. Me and him have a journal back and forth with one another in which we communicate. Next thing you want to do is you want to move your passion. I am into YouTube, so that's what I do in the morning. I take about 30 minutes to an hour every single morning, and I either research more on YouTube or I do my Video Ranking Academy course, which I'm in, and I just educate myself more on my passion, on my craft. Next thing you want to do is you want to move your body. We don't tend to have a lot of time to work out, so this is the perfect opportunity to get a workout in. I work out about 30 minutes, either a walk or a quick workout video. Just take that opportunity to move my body. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit the like button and let me know that you enjoy this type of content. You also want to take time to move your mind. I love to listen to a good audiobook on either personal development or more on parenting or whatever the situation is, maybe even just a fun audiobook. So I'll link down below what I'm currently listening to on Audible so that you guys can check it out. Next thing you want to do is you want to move your chores. I have a couple of daily morning cleaning things that I do. I'll link my cleaning video up above so that you can check that out. And I get that done in the morning while listening to my Audible. Lastly, bonus, you want to move your plans. As a stay-at-home mom of little ones, Sometimes you think you beat them by waking up at 4 a.m. and they beat you by waking up at 4:30. So move your plans. Leave room in your morning routine to take the little one on a walk with you, or to have the toddler at your side while you get your things done. But be flexible in your mornings, because I used to get so frustrated by the fact that my little ones would wake up during my morning routine. And now it's like, well, they don't do this every morning, and it's an opportunity for us to bond. So try to be more positive about it. It's so important for you to fill yourself before you can fill others. So my question of the day for you is, have you been filling yourself? Do you have a morning routine? What's holding you back? Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. What do you see? Why do I see donuts over? That's gonna drive me nuts. Oh my god, I get to fix it. He's gonna kill me.